Hi everyone. Today, we're going to learn about surface area and volume. These are important concepts that help us understand the sizes and shapes of different objects around us. Now, let's define two important terms, surface area and volume. Surface area is the total area of all the surfaces of a 3D figure. For example, a cube has a surface area equal to the total area of its 6 square faces. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a 3D figure. It's like imagining how many small cubes it would take to fill up the solid figure. Another term we need to know is lateral or curved surface area. This is the surface area of the solid shape after leaving out the top and bottom faces. It's measured in square units. Let's talk about the cube. A cube is a solid shape with 6 equal square faces. Its curved surface area is 4 times the square of its length. The total surface area is 6 times the square of its length. The volume of a cube is the cube of its length. Next, we have the cuboid. A cuboid is a solid shape with 6 rectangular faces at right angles. Its curved surface area is twice the sum of the length and breadth multiplied by the height. The total surface area is twice the sum of the products of length and breadth, breadth and height and length. The volume of a cuboid is the product of its length, breadth, and height. Now, let's look at the cylinder. A cylinder has two circular faces but no edges or vertices. Its curved surface area is 2 times pi times the radius times the height. The total surface area is 2 times pi times the radius times the sum of the radius and height. The volume of a cylinder is pi times the square of the radius times the height. Next, we have the cone. A right circular cone is formed by revolving a right-angled triangle around one of its sides, with the other side as the axis. The curved surface area of a cone is pi times the radius times the slant height. The total surface area of a cone is pi times the radius times the sum of the radius and the slant height. The volume of a cone is 1/3 times pi times the square of the radius times the height. A sphere is a solid shape that is completely round like a ball. It has the same curved and total surface area. The curved surface area and total surface area of a sphere are both 4 times pi times the square of the radius. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 times pi times the cube of the radius. If we cut a sphere into 2 equal parts, we get a hemisphere. The curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 times pi times the square of the radius. The total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 times pi times the square of the radius. The volume of a hemisphere is 2/3 times pi times the cube of the radius. Now, we will talk about the surface area of a combination of solids. Let us consider the container. Can you find the surface area of this container? Let's try to break it down further. We can see that this solid is made up of a cylinder with 2 hemispheres stuck at either end. So, the total surface area of the new solid is the sum of the curved surface areas of each of the individual parts. That is, TSA of new solid is equal to CSA of hemisphere 1 plus CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere 2. Now what about volume of a combination of solids? The volume of the solid formed by joining two basic solids will actually be the sum of the volumes of the constituents. So here, volume of this container is equal to volume of hemisphere 1 plus volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere 2. Thank you for watching. Now, here's a secret on how you can study effectively with the EduRev app. You can learn with chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve NCERT-based MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for Class 10 and much more for your Class 10 preparation. Thank you.